How to level up fast in Darkest Days. Want to unlock high tier gear? This guide shows you the most efficient ways to level up fast in Darkest Days. The fastest way to gain XP is by completing the main story quests. These provide much larger XP drops than grinding zombies in the wild. Focus on clearing your journals, gold icon missions first to hit the level milestones quickly. For extra XP between quests, clear infected zones. These are marked on your map with a biohazard symbol. Clearing the boss of the zone grants a massive XP bonus and rare loot that helps you power through the next level. Use XP boosters found in daily rewards before a long session. Additionally, playing in a group gives you percentage-based XP bonus for every kill that you made or your teammates made. Strength in number means faster leveling. You'll be max level in no time. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days leveling tips.